Lena inqophamlando yokuqoqwa kwentela SARS.
Personal income taxes, taxes from individuals, is still the largest contributor to revenue. Secondly, what is important is whilst there has been an adverse impact by load shedding and other economic challenges, the focused revenue collection and administration effort by SARS have ensured we have crossed a historic milestone.
SARS ithi ichithe imali evile ku-381 billion wamarandi ikhokhela labo abanokubuyelwa inkece emva kokukhokha intela. Lezi-ke yinkomba zokuthi khona imali eya emnothweni wezwe. Nobambe njengobhekele ukukhononda ngezentela uyavumelana noKis Wetter.
It basically shows that there is a little bit more economic activity and accountability, that taxpayers, the more money they make, the more they report what they make.
Intela ezinzile ayigqugquzeli nje kuphela ubuqotho kwezentela, kepha igqugquzela ke nokuthobela umthetho wezentela kubakhokhi bayo. Intela yokopeletsheni ifake u348 billion wamarandi esikhwameni kwathi eyeVAT yengeza u422 billion wamarandi ekhikhini lendoda eqoqa intela. Ikhokhwe kakhulu intela eGauteng, KwaZulu-Natal naseKapa.